Okay, now we're in question 6. So in question 6, we are given, they say that in the diagram below, the graphs of f of x square root kx and gx log of ax are given. Note O represents the origin. Then you are shown the functions here. Then they say that the graphs of the functions, the graphs of f and g intersect at the point b, b 3 comma 1. So here, let me use a different color. So here, to that point there, so we basically have 3 here and 1 there, because that means b is 3 comma 1, and then we have 0 here at that point of the origin. Right? So basically the function of g, we have two coordinates that we can see so far. We can see the one at the origin, which is 0 comma 0, and we can see the one which is given where it intersects with f, which is 3 comma 1. All right, now they want us to identify where, determine where f of x is greater than g of x, the interval where f of x is greater than g of x. Now I want you to see, can you see that starting from 3 going to infinity, can you see that this g here is above f, because f is the darker one here. This is f starts at the origin. Oh, sorry, the f was the one that is, oh, I didn't see. F is the one that is starting at the origin. So f is the one that has 0 comma 0 and 3 comma 1. So I said g, I didn't see quite well there. Let me correct my mistake. So f of x starts here and it goes there, and then g of x is this one. I think it would be best if we use different colors. Let's just say this is f, right? It doesn't want to do this. Let me see if I can try one more time. No, it doesn't want to work. So basically f, this is f, and then this is g, right? Right, can you see that if you look at g, from starting from 3 here, going to infinity, going to positive infinity, it's above f. So basically here g of x is greater than f starting from 3 and going above. But when you look at f starting from 0 here, starting from 0 going up until 3, can you see that only f is above g, because g is below but f is below. So right, so the answer here that they're looking for here is that the interval for which f of x is greater than g of x, according to here, when you look at this diagram there, in that part, it can only be from x is an element of 0 greater than, let me write it in interval notation, 0 comma 3, right? Or you can write it in the set builder notation. In the set builder notation, you can say x dot, then it's gonna be 0 greater than x greater than 3. So you can write it into both ways. In the paper, they don't mind. You can be given a mark as long as it looks like this or it looks like that. Whether you write it in self-builder notation or you write it in interval notation, it's going to be the same answer. It doesn't basically matter. All right.